Hey kids, welcome to another video. This one is, what is it? This one is going to math for chapter 12 and some for chapter 11. So we're going to open up here and we're going to take a look at these. And the first one is speed. Okay, and so if you're looking at your speed formula, what that should give you is a formula that looks something like this. Speed equals distance over time. And so when you come back here, it is just literally distance divided by time. And so if you can't believe that, it's first number divided by second number. And that's all that is. So you come over here to calculator, and you take your first number divided by second number. In this particular case, it's going to be 3.15. Wow. Divided by 9.92. Don't worry about the numbers so much as edit, copy, and just paste those. And you want to paste those to the second decimal, regardless of what the number is. And that is pretty much universal throughout the science department. Once again, what's his average speed? You literally just go first number divided by second number. So clear that out. 132.02 divided by 13.16, and edit, copy, and go ahead and paste that in and take it to the second decimal. In here, this is a lot from chapter 11. A man throws a ball, it reaches a velocity in 4.7 seconds. This is acceleration, and acceleration is, if you recall, acceleration equals velocity 2 minus velocity 1 over t2, which is time 2 minus time 1. On here, you've got a velocity and a time. You don't have a v1 or a t1 because it would be 0. A man throws a ball, its initial velocity, or its t1, and v1 are both 0. So that would just give you v2 over t2. So on here, once again, it's going to be first number divided by second number, or 15.2 divided by 4.76 equals, edit, copy, and paste that guy right in there to the second decimal. Alright, here you've got 31, then it goes to 0. Well, here is your T2, I'm sorry, your V2. Here is your V1. So now, on this one, you have a V2. If you're looking, you have a V2, which is 0, minus 31, but you don't really have a T1, you just got a T2. And so here, all you really want to do is take 0 minus 31 equals, divided by 2, and edit, copy. Alright? So there you got a subtraction before your division. A boy pushes forward a cart of groceries with a total mass. What is the acceleration? So if we're looking here, this is a completely different formula, and it's all based off of this formula. Force equals mass times acceleration. So acceleration is going to equal force divided by mass. It's actually, the same 2 times 5 equals 10 concept. So if we're solving for, in this case, 5, it would be 10 divided by 2. Or in this case, if we're solving for acceleration, it'd be force divided by mass. It's the same thing. So what does that translate to? Force divided by mass. So you just come over here, you find the force, and it's listed as force 9,529 divided by 8,619 equals, edit, copy, right to the second decimal. An automobile with a mass of 4,000 accelerates at a rate of 9 meters per second. What is the net force? Once again, we're going back to this. Force equals mass times acceleration. So you just come here. That's just a multiplication. So what you have to do there is multiply it, and you don't care which one's first. 4084 times 9 equals, edit, copy, paste that bad boy in, and it's going to be space newtons. And up here I feel like it's going to be meters slash seconds. And then a net force in a wheelchair. What is the mass? This is going right back to this question. If we're solving for mass, we would have to have, like in here, if we're solving for 2, it would be 10 over 5. So mass actually has to be what? Force over acceleration. And you can use these formula sheets on the test. So here you got force and acceleration. Once again, all that is first number divided by second number. 66 divided by 38. Wow. Don't worry about these numbers, because it says here that this kid is 1.7 kilograms. That is a tiny, tiny child. So it's 1.73. 1.73 space kilograms. So that's basically it, with the exception of momentum and velocity. And momentum simply is first number times second number. 1, 2, 2, 1 times 0.41. And the formula's right there. Edit, copy, paste that. And then space, and I would just do this. And then that's pretty much it for the entire math section. So let's see how we did. Yay! Okay, and that's it. Happy math on Chapter 11 and some on Chapter 12. Or math for Chapter 12 and some on 11. Okay, thank you and have a great day.